What's going on? This is Nicholas, Deep South Outdoors, and today we're at Four Seasons Equipment Company here in Tupelo, Mississippi, and we're going to be taking a look at the all-new Kawasaki Ridge. This is the limited edition. It's currently the only one they have, but they are going to get more in stock. They had two originally, but it sold before it even had time to get off the truck. This is an absolutely stunning unit. This is the first time I've ever seen one in person. I've read about it, seen videos. It's my first time actually seeing it up close in person. And everything you see does come standard. The wheel well's still metal, very nice. Take a look, see what this new machine's all about. Take a look in here. Love that winch too. And it does come with a front as well as a rear camera. And we just found out recently, I'm not going to take it all the way off, but you can take these clips right here and the whole real assembly comes off to give you full access to clean that radiator. Like I said, I'm not going to take it all the way off, but just to show you all that, it does come completely off. Still unlocks like the mule. Pick up ever so slightly. It don't require much to take it off. It just holds in place with the pins in the bottom. Unlock it from the top and it literally just slides right off. That's the top access to it. Very nice. Air intake's been mounted higher, so that's definitely useful. For those of you who like to adventure a little deeper than others. Very nice. Built very solid. Everything looks fantastic. And I love the bed too. Its fit and finish is absolutely gorgeous. The bed lets down super easy. Got your hold down points, 4 corners. Does come with the bumper. That is beautiful. Kawasaki definitely did their research making this bad boy. Has a very heavy duty shock too. And Kawasaki did keep in mind that they want to make their machines easy to work on. And I'm about to show you what I mean. And the dunk bed is like, the dunk bed is just straight up effortless. You just barely even push the knob up and it's coming up. Very awesome. Super easy access to everything. And they did make sure that the way they designed the cab is they got all of this here to minimize the noise that you would get inside the cab, because this is the full cab enclosure. I'll show you that in a minute. And they wanted to make sure they reduced as much heat as possible. It is a 4-cylinder. Still super easy to get to your belt box. Belt box is just right there, super easy to get to. Very well made, designed, and laid out. We'll take a look inside this cab and see what it's like. The fit and finish on the door is beautiful. It is power windows, but we're going to go ahead and turn that key on real quick. It is power windows. As well as for the passenger side. Like I said, what you see on this unit is what it comes standard with, this being the limited edition. They even have these for later, give you capability to put more speakers, as well as the speakers that's already mounted up front in the top. And a place for your sunglasses or phone or whatever else you want to put, they got it there. A little light switch. Flicks on nice and easy. And the floor does have its own lights to help you see whenever it's dark. Really cool. Let's go ahead and take a seat. Alright, so I'm 6'1", and I have plenty of leg room. No issues whatsoever. It does have tilt steering. Going back on how my dad would say, it's big man friendly. You got your controls there. Got your winch, high low beam adjustments. And the up and down, from what they told me, is actually to help you scroll through the menu options. Yeah, see? Camera, vehicle information, settings, meter. Very awesome. And it does have different modes. You have normal, sport, and work mode. That's a very handy feature. I know a lot of people that like those options. And oh yeah, wiper blades. Got a beautiful touchscreen display. Give you different options for your radio, your map. Got the controls up here. for your winch controller too. A good amount of storage too. It's not bad. I like that. Love the cup holders too. Cup holders are very big. Got two in the cab. High, low, neutral, and reverse. And even over here in the passenger seat, look at all that leg room. Like, look at all that. And even for the person sitting in the middle, you still have a good bit of space even when sitting in the middle. See how it sounds in the cab when it's running. A lot of side-by-sides that I've been in with the enclosed cab sounds extremely loud. Let's see how this one sounds. It's very quiet. Like most of the machines that I've been in with full cab enclosures, I'm being full-blown serious. Like when it's running, you got all the doors closed, windows. It's like the machine is borderline screaming at you. But in this one, they went to great lengths to make sure that you can still hear yourself think as well as communicate to the person next to you. It blows my mind how crazy quiet it is. And concerning the driver's seat, if you're a little bit on the shorter side, they do have the knob, so that way you can slide it forward, which I know a lot of people will appreciate that. And then when we go to the passenger seat, it actually just lifts up effortlessly. Gives you plenty of more cargo space too. Not only the bed, but also inside. If you got some 5-gallon buckets or whatever else type of equipment you want to put in here, they make sure to include it to where you can. And for those that are curious, this is your cabin vent. It's pretty awesome. '24 Kawasaki Ridge. This is the limited edition. If y'all want a machine like this, come check out Four Seasons Equipment Company here in Tupelo, Mississippi. They're expecting another order and shipment of these beautiful, good-looking machines. So come check them out. You might like what you see.